In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Chrome search keeps changing to Yahoo. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on any device you're using, whether you're an iPhone, Android, Samsung, or even a PC as well. So it can be really annoying, especially if you don't want to use Yahoo, because not really many people use that now. Mainly people just want to use the Google search engine. So what you want to do is go over to your Chrome application. And then once you're here, on the top right, press the three little dots. Now you can do the same thing for iPhone. Go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see settings at the very bottom. Now, once you go ahead and click on this, you're going to see a lot of options, but within basics, the first option you're going to see is search engine. Go ahead and click on this. Now, if this is on Yahoo search, all you want to do is switch it to Google, or obviously if you want to use anything like DuckDuckGo, Microsoft Bing, or anything like that, of course, you could go ahead and do that as well. But just make sure it's not on Yahoo, because that's obviously not what you want. Just switch it to Google, and then you should be good to go. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.